Hello, today I'm going to show you how to locate and use an OBD2 scanner or reader on your Opel Tigra, Vauxhall Tigra, and so on. Oh yeah, in the middle, on the right side of the driver's seat or on the left side on the passenger seat, over this place or on this place, there it is, the port for the OBD2 plug. Now let's plug it in and have a look. Now you have to set the ignition point to, and as you can see, the scanner will start working. Yeah, let's press OK, and the scanner is reading. Good job. Now you're able to delete and read some failure codes. Easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.